up? Today we'll be cooking whatever. I'll go grab the ingredients really quick. Yeah. Okay, you're going to use black Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh. Put it down. I'll be cooking some yummy pizza. So, for some yummy. Hold on. Pause the video. Okay, back to the video. So, to make the pizza, maybe this. Pancakes and pizza. How's that sound? Dang it, everything that's in my plate is dirty. Ah. This is so weird and wet. Yuck. Grease it up. Remember, always grease up your pans. Yuck. Need this. Spread the grease, butter. Okay, I'm taking away there. First, you might want to make pancakes, I guess. Grab the pancake batter. Yeah. Take it out. Spread it. We'll add that to the cooking pan. There you go. Now you guys can see my cup. You'll grab a spatula. This is a fall. You'll check. Okay. Hey, Angie. No. Sorry. So we'll just we'll put the grease. Very greasy. Oh, I can feel the grease. That's a cookie. Wow. Grab a plate. Put the pancake on. One pancake. We'll fold this. I'll say some real mazgul first. You'll make cake. You'll need some more. pizza. I'm using the wrong thing, but it's worth it. Like all of it. Forgot to grease it. Grease up. Grab the dough. Get away the pan. And put the pan back up. Like that. Whoa! Down. We'll make the crust. We'll mix it up. You may want to mix it up like this. I know this is not how you cook. It's how you do it for me. Step back and cut. Open up this. Find a rolling pin like mine. Mold the dough into one fine circle. And flour. Some good flour. So you got some flour on it. Roll this into one fine ball and roll it. Wait. There we go. So you got your pizza. That we're gonna cook it in the oven and wait a while. Okay, we got this crust. You might want to pinch the crust sides or make some if you need, if you want to. And some Parmesan. You may want to add some invisible parts if you would need to. Some cheese. We'll add some cheese on. Parmesan pizza. Some Parmesan cheese. Pepperonis will be pink. Wow. Parmesan cheese. Roll it. Pepperonis. Of the cheese. I'll put this way anyways. I don't need a spoon. Dang it. Music. Sorry if you can't understand. I'll eat those. And after, they will squeeze to melt the cheese. Nice sounding. After a while, you may want to step back, but it's ready. One pepperoni pizza. Let me show my great leadership. Now it's your time. To cut. June may receive a new pepperoni. That's all for today. I'll see you soon. Peace out. Bow, 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 bow.